Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know everything set. We are blessed. And you also know the story ain't complete if Kingmixup on a beat. And as you can see, Jamaican, popularity, celebrity, dancer, celebrity, what apple salt and our husband get locked up, you see what I say. But we don't want to call her apple salt because we are cool. Now, because she just realized that's the messenger and not trying to sink her, you feel me? And right now they are saying, especially Jayden, he's saying that there was being racially profiled. That's why, the alarm went off and, they was arrested and all of these things. As you know, they got caught trying to escape lemons. You see what I say? Some sportswear, ting and ting, you see what I say? They was both charged for the same thing, theft and, organized crime. Because, they said this thing is like statewide. You feel me? Utah, Colorado, all sorts of places. It's some people. But on the day they was busted, they was caught, dealing with 5,000, US dollars worth of items. I mean? Them take from one store and I'm going to the next store like Woodbury, like they was arrested. You see me? Credit card, you swipe and return and you take the cash. You see my ass. And obviously, after the arrest, they got a warrant to go to the hotel room in, I think, Bloomington, you see me? And that's when they found the suitcase full of, all type of merchandise inside. So as you can see, the spokesperson of the Ramsey County, attorney office, they said the judge set the bail at 30,000 for paparazzi patches. This is with conditions, or 200,000 US dollars, for unconditional release. You see it? And bail for her husband Jayden 100,000 for conditional release and 600,000 for unconditional release. You see what I say? And because of the outstanding work, law enforcement agencies was able to get these, accused in this massive retail theft operation have been caught. You see what I'm saying? They're going to use the full extent of the law to deal with them. Putting out the comment section what time, boy, people we know say we never see them go jail yet, so, I'll definitely keep them updated. But like I said, they said that there was being racial profile. That's what Jayden said. There was racially profiling them, I guess. The people them never feel, so them are bunny and set off the alarm and boom, we're there, I give them the rule, you see it. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, before I forget, the power couple said, they was being racially profiled while shopping. Shopping while black, and the security guard, the employees set off the alarm on them, you see me? But boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, they are going to be made an example of in Minnesota because they are the first. As you can see, the statement added, this is the first case in the office that has charged under Minnesota new law to address organized retail theft. So basically, they're going to be charged for everybody that have been stealing all around the America at these stores. You see what I say? And then we're going to make an example of because a 12 suitcase full of Stephen clothes, them said I'm fine. And at them hotel. Yeah. Now, dancehall King Vybz Kartel is taking the time out to diss up his haters again. And people is mad that he's doing that. You feel me? Putting out the comment section when you think about that. Because some of these artists not even pay them fans attention. Whether good or bad. You see what I say? So let's take a look at what going for that to go on. As you can see, this is Vybz Kartel with his second grandchild. Adiana, the daughter, the granddaughter, you see me? For local vibes. So he said, big up the hungry belly, boy and girl them on TikTok. What can't stop think about cartel and call cartel name on the fool you F. Me rich and happy and I live my best. Life X infinity. Y'all hilarious. Spend 2 million US dollars on house and car and beat me. If not, continue to S on a woman. Some big old boy and old girl, dog, only not have nothing better for do with on the waste life. Be laughing at what J God is the greatest. Now speaking about money, the people them say shouted this our friend the other night when she invited her to go eat and never paid for the bill because as a top girl she supposed to pay that. That's why the friend did it to all of them ordering because if you're a short boss like world boss, you're supposed to foot the bill. Cardi B would never have Starbring paying for food. But you know what it is, the friend them never know so shout it broke, And I mean, the friend them, the thing Shorty did rich still. You see me, I say, cause I'm going to dance and I'll get, good spotlight and free drinks and all of these things, not knowing, say, at the dance there, I pay for Shorty thing for advertisement, that upsets, So no money now run because Cartel now think about Shorty. I mean, he has the kids full duty, so, some of the child support now run because she moved England. You see me, I say, so money tight. Aight. Now speaking about money, it looked like Seth Fabian and Jayden split because she want KFC 5 a.m. in the morning. They get a lot of muffin food and not cook. You see I say, I even know she clean because them say hygiene not kept. You see I say, arms not shave and clothes now bring when you stay over man yard. You know what I mean? I don't know these people, them rich and I'm a DM and I'm just a messenger. So let's hear what some people is saying. And then we'll proceed.
He disrespect her too. He talk to her some way true. And the lie.
No, we never, we're not, no, don't get me wrong, like we are giving
listen, I'm not saying, listen, I'm not picking any side. We have to just, give it.
All right. Mali,
No,
we are going to read. All right.
Like we not give Fabbi the right to continue do what she do because
Listen,
we depend
but
on
it's supposed
other
to feed
her.
Lisa,
yes, we're not going to tell us if Fabbi, listen, we're not going to tell us if Fabbi now mess up.
Mali, hold on 1 second. Let me hear your reason now, Mali. 1 hour, All right. You are going your money yard, You pick up like a cup soup, like a snack and the whole works or whatever, What if you take up a man who did have 9 to 5? You think the man they go support them, their lifestyle, if you get up earlier morning time, carry got KFC and all them is something there. Sometimes we as women we won't downfall in that way try to say, don't bother believe we are talk about her in a bad way, Whenever you understand what I mean. It's like, for me personally, all right, you, even sometimes the man they rank, you go ask about also only like Pringles and all them something there. These are things where we know, say, at Jamaica, everywhere have one like a corner shop. Okay, all right, then, me soon come back, me I go down the road, go buy something. You never have to tell the man, use your own little money, but for me, when you are going to tell the man, I say you want all one Pringles. So to me, come like when you over the man yard, not even water you can buy for your own self, So it's like we are speak some facts. Don't bother believe say we are talk about it in a bad way. You understand what I mean, Mali? So
Mali speak. Unmute her, make she speak.
Unmute yourself, Mali. So although she can't cook, where say you got your man yard, said to himself, make we stop at the store before we go over there. You pick up 3 cup soup, whatever. Pick up the things in where you like. Because it's not a good look as a young girl if you get up early morning time go to KFC. Yeah, but Chica, somehow no don't say buy grocery. How much even man pan this TikTok you realize a box food and get up and eat. You can't force a man to buy grocery. You buy what you want because remember the house time one man live there, What if a KFC? Alright, make sure when she there home I see him KFC she want to.
KFC she want she go buy it herself with her money.
You see, you
can't be wearing Jayden all the time.
We use man, 1 second, baby. You can know the woman them. We use man for them money. Mali unmute, that's I can't talk next. We use man for them money and no cook. All you have to do, buy the snack them at supermarket, a case of water, your juice, and your breakfast things. Get up and you make your breakfast for you and your man. Lunchtime now. Jayden, maybe can make something or carry go buy something. Who the fuck eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner for McDonald's and something? You think I change that, girl?
Hold on. My niece, their name.
Listen, you're both missing the point, right? Me never say she must.
We were talking to.
Yeah, listen, me never say.
Hold on, what you had to talk journalists so respect me more the day. Hey, what now, Mali?
All right, when I say, I understand your point. You understand? But listen, you two of them, we can't say one is right because Fabbi disrespect him and him also do the same thing. You understand? With the grocery now, why me no want to say the age difference because somebody more mature would know that listen, you go over, you go get some local snacks or so on. Even make it two
Listen, we
of
not
us
talk
go
about no
together.
listen, let me teach you
All
this.
right.
Hold on, Molly, me not cut you, but let me say this to you. A foreign me there. And me a person like this, me drink a lot, like water and them stuff there. Me's a person who always love stuff with ice. I'm in a business who want call me back in the days. You know, say anywhere me go with me like a lunch bag, cause remember, you know, we go the corner store, you know, the corner store drinks them now cool. Oh, me want them for cool, me want my stuff them with my ice. So you see, because of that, anywhere me I go, and you looking at my back seat, my lunch bag there, you know, 2 water, 2 drinks, 2 this and whatever. So at the same situation, me know say me like things with ice. So me now go one man here and when me go there, me go say, then you know no ice in your fridge. Because remember, if you even carry me go the corner store, it's a 1% chance of me getting a drinks with ice. So that me I make you understand now, say, you know say you want your little Pringles and your little this and your little that. Walk with that. Because if me go your yard, you know, all right, how much money you don't go and if I don't want up to date man, how much money you go and they have ice? Even if they care you got the store, you're not gonna get the drinks cold as all you want it. So just like oh me I walk with my me no business who want call me back in the days. Me I go tell you no me stay. Anyway, me I go me have my little lunch bag. Cause me like frozen stuff.
The girl were in the comments where say sex and hungry stomach. That's not what we are saying. Why the fuck you not think we are
Alright, Carrie, stop reading the comment now. They up to their own opinion. As me say, friend, they not
to
this
feed
one.
her about her behavior. We are say him can buy the grocery, him and her, and she go look at breakfast for them, and then going forward.
Alright, let me ask you. No, come here, people.
Come
Come here.
listen. Eat beer, Pringles, and ice cream, and all this stuff.
Alright, let me ask you one question. Gather, mother, gather. No, come here, let me ask you one question, you know. Then if the man they buy all of them dear week, they you know things say when I tell you can buy like a food, make your man get some of your money for eat too.
Exactly.
Come here, mother, come here. Like someone know what they behave like say because they go over Jayden. Someone they behave like because they go over Jayden, like she can buy like a grocery and make him get one of him cup soup too. No come here, man.
Stop it. The girl leave her card. No, Jayden alone. You see some woman in a comment, you can never hold a good man.
Lisa, never is an example here. Hold on. Morning, guys.
Morning. About a year now, I see over here, you know, so you're rich over here.
We're not great. Content creators, you, Lala, you, so please don't bet me. I see other content creators on the up here trying to cook. Okay? And several times is an epic failure. And the same comment people them say, no, don't put that, put this. She was never trying. Okay? Get up every day and dig out a man pocket, it adds up.
Yep.
You cannot sit there and act like you want a gold spoon pushing in your mouth. Him can teach her to fish, you know. You care somebody at the well, but you can't force them to drink the water. She not even trying. Triple get this girl clothes and the woman say a yard clothes. Now look at me. You give me that.
Sonny,
me have that
is the media teach Vani and Maya to cook? Vani and Maya.
Nobody name coming on a screen record on a
me call it two of them, I media teach it to it, but they never share.
Hold on, stick a pin. You never see when Vani cook this fish.
Okay.
You never see one day she try bake porridge and when she look, she say it no come out good and she left it.
But the girl
drink cup soup too, you know, but guess what?
The girl work on the radio station name. But the girl they work on the radio station name. We have the daughter the other day for the guy. But the girl the name. But a rich girl the name. She American, Jamaican, but she born. What's she name?
Jolie.
No. But the girl the name, man.
She don't try. Oh, China K, them say?
China K. I media teach China K if you cook a week time.
But look here, if you want to do it, you will do it. But when you get laid back, and me look on everything where the guy has said to her, I should read the comment before she answer the man. Oh, the glass time,
comment section don't run your life.
Listen to me. Watch her. When she come up and I speak, she don't speak from her heart. She listen what them say. Even 4 people there in the chat or in the box, she'll look down before she answer.
Oh, everybody don't build the same. So if we have Jayden sit down, when no used to nothing, no used to money, finally I get money. First of all, the guy same car mash up. We know say I want Jayden, I girlfriend mash up in car. And him have to go fix in car. You are over 100,000. All right. So for month, Jayden called Fabbi and feed Fabbi are over $500,000 at a month. To no do him maths.
Our priorities in
And
the
he
wrong
couldn't
place.
company
That's what I
media, you know,
mean.
I say
Lisa,
people
me
me
a
a
go
beg
away.
on no money
Work
to fix
later.
the car and he never do it.
All right,
Him
guys.
don't do it.
Oi, Lady Luck, you they say. Lady Luck, you they say last night for your cat die, you know, long for me one die. Rotted. Vango last night for your cat dead, a long time for me cat dead.
Me dead long time.
Where you say, Yadi?
In mute.
Unmute yourself.
Lisa, you remember back in the days when you're there at Jamaica and you go over your little boyfriend house and as you say pack and especially if you know say your little boyfriend have a stove and whatever, me used to pack out the things out of my mother cabinet, you know. Mommy cook, me make sure we pack FEMA, you know. And we go over there, you know, and we eat, you know. But these nowadays TikTokers are these young people. They don't cook, you know, them live on road 24/7. Especially it's because the money is coming in easy. So that is why that's one of the reasons too. But if nobody
And if
there
we all
to tell,
notice, we
look
know, you know,
like
to
Fabi
Jayden
not
now
have
waste money.
nobody there for motivate her and
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. No, I'll update on Apple and J in the near future. Mr. Mars, remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest. Bless.